Unraveling the Mystery. Get 0. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll delve into a fascinating English phrase, get 0. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and context in which it might be encountered. Let's jump right in. Get 0, at its most basic level, implies receiving or obtaining the number 0. The number 0, 0, represents a lack of quantity or value. Example 1. If you were to ask someone, "How many apples did you buy?" and they responded with, "I got 0. It means they did not buy any apples. In many contexts, the phrase, get 0, might be used figuratively. Here, it does not strictly refer to the number but rather implies getting nothing in return or being unrecognized. Example 2. I worked so hard on that project, but I got 0 recognition. This means the person received no acknowledgement for their effort. There are other phrases and expressions that convey similar meanings to get 0. Here are some of them. Get nothing. This is very direct and means exactly what it says. Come up empty. This means to try to achieve something but end up with no results. Draw blank. This is another way of saying that one has failed to get any result or information. Understanding when not to use a phrase is as important as knowing its meaning. Avoid using get 0 in situations where the context does not involve quantifying or evaluating something. For instance, I got 0 to the park would not make sense. You're referring to a positive outcome. Saying, I got 0 mistakes on the test is better expressed as, I made no mistakes on the test. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, get 0. Remember, language is all about context, so always be attentive to the situation you're in when using such phrases. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you now feel more confident in your understanding and usage of this particular English expression. Keep learning and see you in the next video.